Today we'll be looking at a binary options broker called TopOption.com. Now you may not have heard of them, but you will almost definitely, especially if you're a Forex trader, have heard of Markets.com, who are the company behind TopOption.com. And as you know, Markets.com are a very well established Forex company that have been going for years and years. And so with that behind them, you can definitely trust the security and reliability behind TopOption.com. Today we'll be looking at the offering from TopOption and comparing it to other brokers and deciding if it's a company that is worth trading with. So today I have a balance of $20,000 in my account, which is a real treat for me. And by the way, before I start to trade, I do have a choice of various different accounts that I can choose between. So, for instance, I can have a live account, and I'm currently working in a demo account as well, which is a great feature. You'll never run out of assets to choose from when trading with TopOption, as they have just hundreds of different assets here. You can see the stocks and the currencies are here. And actually what you can do is you can click on those and you can get all the information, so the expiry levels of these, just by clicking on those. That's quite a nice feature. And you also have, by the way, on the platform some news coming through. So this is like all the fundamental analysis which is moving the markets at the moment. And by the way, TopOption have an academy. A lot of binary option brokers don't bother with this, but the TopOption Academy has lots of different articles with common questions, ebooks, and even videos and webinars to help you to learn binary options trading, because the better you are equipped to trade and in terms of the more knowledge you have, the more successful your trades will be, and get involved in different binary options trading strategies as well. So let's look now at the trading platform. So you have a choice of a few different platforms here. The classic binary options or digital options platform, the option builder, where you get to choose the amount of risk you want to take, and you can sort of like customize the trade more by choosing your own expiry time too. You've got the one-touch platform, which gives massive rewards of up to 500%. So you can see on the NASDAQ index here, this is the line of the NASDAQ. This would be the strike price, and by the expiry time, this needs to hit this line in order for you to make 500% return on your money. This is the put or the down, and you can see here the NASDAQ on the call. If you want a 500% return on the call, then you do that from here. If you want a lower payout here, you can see the strike line is the asset price is much closer to the strike line, so it just makes that much easier for you. But obviously that's why you get a lower percentage payback. You can see Facebook here. Look at the line today in the last week. Sorry, that's kind of crazy. It's really gone down for them. And they also have a 60-second trader, which is a really good thing. The 60-second trader is your quick in and out strike. Really good for traders that have been reading the fundamental analysis, suddenly hear of an announcement, know that there'll be an instant change that might well rally afterwards. So the 60 seconds is really good for that. You get a 70% return on your money for that. And the Pro option is kind of like the more professional trading platform, which comes with a sentiment indicator here, as you can see. You can look at the historical charts here, and you just simply type in the amount you want. You can see this is the USD JPY with an 80% payback, and you can just call or put on that. So let's say call $100, 80% payout, and apply. And by the way, you should see down here the protected amount is 0 at the moment. But what this means is that even if my trade ends up out of the money, this is the amount I'll get back for this specific trade. So on this trade, it's nothing, but on other trades, you do get money back. And that's it. Those are the trading platforms. Just if I just scroll down, I want to show you that all of the information you need about the company you can get from here. And by the way, you should know that TopOption also have a mobile trader, which is really good. So while you're on the go, you can trade. And it has the same account as your web-based trader. The payment methods in which you can pay are here. So let's just show you those. And if you want any more information about the company, you can read those down there. So Visa, MasterCard, Delta, you can pay through those methods simply by clicking here. Liberty Reserve, which is like an e-wallet. And bank transfer you can do through here. Web Money, which is an online e-wallet. Moneybookers, which is my payment method of choice. And NetTeller, which is kind of a competitor to Moneybookers, and PayPal. And if you're interested in reading the daily and weekly market reports, you can read those down here. So all the information you will need on this company is down here. And bear in mind again that TopOption is SISEC regulated, so you can see their regulation number here. So if you want more information about that, you can go on the SISEC register and just have a read about that. And that's it. TopOption, a very, very good company. Really nothing to complain about here, but kind of how I suspected that might be with a company powered by markets.com.